Every polyurethane product starts the same way, with two liquids. A PU foam machine meters them, mixes them, and turns them into foam. Here is how the machine actually works. Step 1. The two components. Polyol sits in one tank, isocyanate in the other, each held at the right temperature and gently circulated. Step 2. Metering. Pumps push an exact amount of each component, at a precise ratio, and that ratio decides foam quality. Step 3. Mixing. In the mixing head, the two streams combine, and the chemical reaction begins instantly. Step 4. Control. On the touch screen, you set ratio, shot weight, and output, and the machine repeats it exactly every time. Step 5. Pressure. High-pressure machines self-clean and run high-volume parts. Low-pressure machines flex for small batches and recipe changes. Metering, mixing, and control built to your recipe and output. High-pressure, low-pressure, 2 or 3 component. Tell us your product, we'll match the machine.